3 best soaps for youthful, radiant skin. My personal favorites. Hi, self-care lovers. Welcome back to my channel, where we dive deep into everything that makes us glow, inside and out. Today we're talking about that luminous, fresh, youthful skin we all dream of. The kind of skin that has you looking in the mirror going, yes, that's me. So, picture this. Skincare that not only makes your skin feel great, but also makes you feel like your best, most radiant self. And today, we're focusing on 3 superstar soaps that did just that for me. I'm sharing my personal testimony about the holy grail staples in my routine: the CeraVe Renewing SA Facial Cleanser, the Koji-san Skin Lightening Soap, and the Makari Brightening Exfoliating Antiseptic Soap. Stick around, because not only am I going to gush over how incredible these are, but I'll also break down what makes each soap unique, the key ingredients fueling their magic, and how they can fit into your own self-care journey. You ready? Let's dive in. Before I dish on these amazing soaps, let's talk about why your cleanser, yes, just your soap, is such a game changer in your skincare routine. Have you ever heard the saying, skincare starts with a clean face? Well, that's because your cleanser lays the foundation. It's the first stop in removing dirt, oil, and dead skin, while prepping your skin to absorb all the magical serums and creams we love. But here's the tea. Not all soaps are created equal. Using the wrong one can strip your skin, irritate it, or leave it feeling worse than when you started. Trust me, I've been there. That's exactly why these 3 soaps were lifesavers for me. They didn't just cleanse, they transformed my skin. Alright, let's kick this off with my ride or die daily cleanser, the CeraVe Renewing SA Facial Cleanser. If you're looking for a soap that is reliable, gentle, and just consistently does its job without a fuss, this one's for you. What's the hero ingredient here? Salicylic acid. You may have heard of it. It's an ingredient that gently exfoliates your skin, unclogs pores, and helps remove dead skin cells. But what makes this soap stand out is that it's paired with ceramides. These are like little hydration warriors that lock in moisture, while the salicylic acid works its magic. The first time I tried this cleanser, I didn't know what to expect. But after just a few days, I noticed my skin felt smoother, looked clearer, and had this fresh glow I hadn't seen in ages. As someone with sensitive skin, I was thrilled that it didn't leave me feeling dry or tight. Instead, it felt happy. Yes, I'm claiming that my skin can feel happy, okay? I use this every single day, morning and night, because it's just so gentle yet effective. It's like the no-drama friend of cleansers, always there for you. If you're someone with sensitive skin, or if you're new to skincare and want a beginner-friendly product, this is your guy. It's especially great if your skin feels a little rough and dull because those dead skin cells. CeraVe makes them vanish like poof. Now, let's move on to something a little more powerful. Next up is Koji-san Skin Lightening Soap. Now, ladies and gents, if pigmentation or dark spots have been your struggle, this soap is going to be your knight in shining armor. Its secret weapon, kojic acid. Kojic acid is a natural ingredient derived from mushrooms, and brace yourself, it's known for its incredible skin brightening properties. It works to even your skin tone and fade pesky dark spots, sunspots, or even post-acne marks. Full transparency here. I was a bit nervous using this one at first. Kojic acid can be pretty strong, so I wasn't sure how my skin would react. But oh my gosh. After a few weeks of using it once every 2 to 3 days, I saw a huge difference. My post-sun pigmentation, practically gone. My overall complexion, brighter and smoother than ever. But let me be real, it's potent. You've got to ease into it, otherwise it might dry you out. I learned quickly to always follow it up with a rich moisturizer and SPF during the day. Sunscreen is non-negotiable when you're using this soap. This soap is perfect if you're dealing with uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, or dark spots. But it's really for those who are ready to commit to a high-maintenance glow-up. If you're not consistent with using sunscreen or moisturizing after, this soap might be too strong for you. And now the grand finale. Let me introduce you to the Luxe Queen of Soaps, Makari Brightening Exfoliating Antiseptic Soap. This one's a real treat, and every time I use it, I feel like I'm spoiling myself. Isn't that what self-care is all about? What sets this soap apart is its formula. You've got vitamin C, a brightening powerhouse. plus exfoliating microparticles that polish your skin to perfection. It's the ultimate self-care pamper day product. Okay, can I just say, this soap feels like skin rehab? Whenever my skin's been through a lot, pollution, sweat, stress, you name it, I pull out Macari for a deep clean moment. The little exfoliating beads gently scrub away build-up, and the soap leaves my skin feeling baby soft. I don't use this every day though. It's more like my once-a-week luxury ritual. After Macari, my skin looks visibly brighter and has this silky texture that's impossible not to obsess over. Seriously, I catch myself stroking my own cheek. Don't judge me. If you're craving serious exfoliation and brightening while indulging in a little skincare luxury, Macari is what you need. It's great for those with rough patches, dullness, or uneven skin texture. Let's review, shall we? Because I know that was a lot of glowing, pun intended, feedback. CeraVe Renewing SA Facial Cleanser. Perfect for everyday use. It's gentle, hydrating, and smooths your skin. Koji-san Skin Lightening Soap. Best for spot brightening and fading pigmentation. It's intense but so worth it. Macari Brightening Antiseptic Soap. Your go-to for exfoliation and radiance on luxury level pamper days. Here's the thing. These soaps work beautifully together if you use them smartly. CeraVe for daily maintenance, Koji-san for targeted treatment, and Macari for deep exfoliation and glow-up days. If you tailor them to your routine, you're setting yourself up for a skincare trifecta of epic proportions. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with some golden skincare rules. Consistency is key. Glowy, radiant skin doesn't happen overnight. Keep at it. Hydrate and moisturize. Even for oily skin types, moisture is your best friend. Sunscreen always. Never skip SPF, especially if you're using products with kojic acid or exfoliating ingredients. Listen to your skin. If something feels off or uncomfortable, pause and reassess. I've shared my journey. Now it's time to hear from you. Which of these 3 soaps are you most excited to try? Or maybe you've already found your holy grail soap. Spill the tea in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more self-care tips and personal skincare discoveries. I'm here every week with fresh, glowing content designed to help you feel beautiful and confident. Thank you for watching, my radiant friends. Remember, self-care isn't selfish. It's essential. Now go out there and glow like the sunshine you are. See you in the next video.